Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you the BeneCane 2-in-1 foldable walker for elderly. Lightweight wheelchair with a large non-slip rubber wheels for man, woman and so on. It's height adjustable walker, a walking aid for seniors, for example, and of course for young people, which have props with with walking. It is available in blue and in red on the market. It is a 2-in-1 versatile design device, easy switching between the supportive walker and a comfortable wheelchair for every day of use. This 2-in-1 walker meets your needs in daily life and while traveling, of course. And as you can see, it's really easy to use because the carriage is equipped with an ergonomic handle and a net-like breathable feet. Ensures stability and supports for seniors while walking. Easy conversion into a comfortable wheelchair for breaks. And we have a practical storage bag. The rollator for the elderly is equipped with a storage bag, a carrying bag and a stake holder, which not only makes it easy to store our belongings, but also to shop on the go. And we have a soft and a safe design because the solid and non-slip rubber wheels adapt to different road surfaces and ensure a sufficient safety during use. In addition, the handle is equipped with a brake to ensure our safety in every time of using. And we have a high adjustable device because the height of the rollator can be adjusted from 89 cm to 104 to ensure a perfect fit and a perfect independence. Different heights of the can fit different heights of the users itself. We are going with this walker for mobility. A walker, this is North American English, or walking frame, this is British English, is a device that gives support to maintain the balance or stability while walking. Most commonly due to age-related mobility disabilities, including frailty. Another common equivalent term of a walker is a Zimmer frame, a generistic trademark from Zimmer Biomet, a major manufacturer of such devices and joint replacement parts. This walking frame have 2 front wheels, and there are also wheel walker available having 3 or 4 wheels. In this case, we have a 4-wheeler, and this is a rollator, because a rollator is a special design of walker. Okay, so the different approach to the walker is a rollator, like shown here. It's also called wheel walker. This is invented by Swede Einar Wiffalk in 1978. Wiffalk had polio. Although originally a brand name, rollator has become a generalized trademark for wheel walkers in many countries. And it is also the most common type of walkers in several European countries too. The rollator consists of a frame with 3 or 4 large wheels. In this case, it's of 4 wheels, handlebars, and a built-in seat, which allows the user to stop and rest when it is needed. Rollators are also often equipped with a shopping basket. Rollators are typically more sophisticated than conventional walkers with wheels. They are adjustable in height and are lightweight, yet sturdier than convenience walkers. The handlebars are equipped with a handbrake that can be lifted or pushed downward to instantly stop the rollator. The brakes can also be used in maneuvering the rollator too, by braking one side while turning the rollator toward that side as a much tighter turn and radius can be achieved. And a study in 2000s found an increase in the use of a rollator by young people, usually in their 30s, who are setting a new standard for walking among young people. The research conclude that might be helpful in alleviating the stigma that using a rollator currently carries. So, if you have a prop to walk, this is a good solution. But I think it's only temporary. If you are really fine again, you should walk by yourself. But if you continue have problems with walking, of course, this makes you independent. Because here, the BeneCane accompany the elders with unspoken love. And we have here a versatile 2-in-1, two walking options for comfort, for safety, and stability, because it is a rollator and a wheelchair in one. The maximum capacity is 225 kilograms. We have solid construction and we have an easy peasy using. We have a bag with a high capacity. It provides additional storage space and comfortable and helps to relieve. The size of the storage bag is 15.5 centimeter height and 38 centimeter in the length. You see, it's enough space for shopping and enough power to hold you in the line. The BeneCane 2-in-1 foldable walker, the rollator for the elderlies. It's a lightweight wheelchair combination, and of course it's a walker too, with a large non-slip rubber wheels for man, woman, and so on. Easy to install and easy to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.